Do you need to finish that painting project but don't have the time? Consider calling Aspecialty4You Restoration today. We're licensed and insured and focused on serving Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, and the surrounding cities. We're passionate about providing quality service and guarantee your satisfaction. When you call us for a free estimate at 717-585-4193, we'll take care of every detail. Aspecialty4You is focused on providing professional, quality painting. Our team will provide excellent craftsmanship and attention to detail. Don't delay your project any longer. Call us today and schedule your free consultation. Call us today at 717-585-4193 and we'll put our 30+ years of experience to work just for you. Call us today at Aspecialty4You Restoration.